Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on the parallel dimension tool and kind of added to my series on that. And I started thinking, if you wanted, tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to make this a little bit narrower so I can get it in the picture in good zoom. So this is 1 inch from there to there. You know, you can take your shape tool and with your nudge distance set on 1/2 of an inch. Because if I want this 1.5 inches, I can take my shape tool, click on my item, select both those nodes, and move the right arrow key over. Now, it moved it over, but it didn't change my dimension, and I want it to. So let's move back here. When you're clicked on the arrow right here, dynamic dimensioning, automatic update of dimension line. When that is highlighted, now let's see what's going to happen. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Grab our shape tool, click on our item, grab those, and I'm going to cursor over 1/2 of an inch. It changed my dimensions to 1.5, and it's actually, I've got really too many decimal places in there for this. Let's just go with, so there's 1.5 inches. Let's grab both my nodes, cursor over to the left and make it 1 inch. Cursor over twice and we're going to make it 2 inches. So when you're clicked on the arrow, you get your parallel dimension tool, things you can do with it. And right there is the dynamic dimensioning. It'll change as you resize. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.